Whiteboard.chat is designed by teachers from around the world. It enables engagement by making sure the teacher can see what the students are doing in real time.
Student, please move the Indian flag to the mat. Once you're done, second, please move the American flag to the mat.
Students can use a varied set of devices from mobile phones to Chromebooks to tablets and laptops. Each student gets their own board. They cannot see each other's work. They cannot cheat. The teachers can see over everyone's shoulder at the same time to give them individual attention or put them in small groups so that they can learn.
Mina, are you sure that is a right flag? Please check again. Misha, I see you've already finished your work. Good job.
This is just the beginning. There are over 200 different teacher design features on this platform to keep the students engaged.